Hi friends, this is your Lesson 1 exit ticket. So we've got a couple different things going on here. We have talked about shapes, and we've talked about the corners and the straight sides of these shapes. So remember, the corner is where the two sides meet and come to a point, and the straight sides are just like a straight line. Okay, so for this number 1, we've got A, we've got B, and we've got C. The first thing I want you to tell me is how many corners does this shape have? Remember, corners is where the two lines meet. And then the second part is how many straight sides does this shape have? You're going to write the number on those lines. So you're going to do that for each of these shapes. How many corners and how many straight sides do each of these shapes have? Then when you come down here, we're going to compare these 4 shapes right here. The question says cross off the shape that does not have the same number of sides and corners. So there's one shape in here that does not have the same amount of sides and corners as the other one. Can you see it? Go ahead and cross off that shape. Then down here, cross off the shape that does not have the same kind of corners. One of these does not have a nice straight corner. It's a little diagonal or slanted. So which one of these shapes is not like the other? Go ahead and cross off that shape.